Hi guys, welcome to my today YouTube video. In our today's video, I'm gonna be telling you easy steps to learn technical drawing. Okay, we find out that some people don't like the course because it says boring, it's hard, it's terrible. Well, I tell you that technical drawing is a very wonderful course. It's enjoying, it's the best course you can ever think of studying or learning. But here are some tips on how you learn technical drawing. Tip one: develop an interest in the course. Now, when you put your mind to something, you will flourish and do well in that thing. Imagine you not liking the course, developing hatred for the course. Already you have failed the course. There is no way you will have the interest to learn the course. So if you want to learn technical drawing, you must develop an interest in the course. Get your drawing instrument. Now we have the instruments like we have protractor, we have ruler, pencil, divider, we may have French curves, but they are good materials, but kind of I advise you get the Rotring. Yeah, get the Rotring. It's an engineering asset. It's used for engineering students. Then get ruler, those bigger ruler and set squares and the product inside. It's the best for engineers to use in drawing for technical drawing. Now when you get materials, now you are set your equipment, you can draw. Sorry, before I forget, your drawing board is a very big board that we all need to have as engineering students. Key points number 3. Okay, key points number 3. Learn how to use them. Imagine having instruments but not knowing how to use them. It doesn't make sense at all. So if you must have instruments, you need to learn how to use them. Now, how do you use them? You can meet a perfect tutor to teach you how to use them. You can go online, get videos. I have more videos on how to use most of our instruments, and then you can learn how to use them. It will make you easier and faster in learning. Key point number 4: go for lectures. Now, some schools or some lecturers won't come down to teach you to your understanding, but there is a saying that no knowledge is a waste. As little as he or she gives to you, it is something that will give you an insight of the real drawing. Even though he doesn't explain it well to you, fine. But when you meet a private tutor that will explain it more better to you, it will give you a more clear understanding. It will make you understand more faster. Let me put it that way. So please, if you must do well in technical drawing, you must attend lectures. Not the least, practice very well. Because practice makes perfect. If you want to do it well, you're gonna practice well. That's just the whole irony of the whole thing. So if you must do well in technical drawing, after learning and after everything, after following all these steps, you must practice. Because without practicing, all work is in vain. So you learn, you practice. And I assure you, following these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key points, you will do excellent in technical drawing. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then like, comment, and share my videos. I know you cannot comment or you cannot subscribe. Let me tell you how to. If there's an icon there that says subscribe, just click on it and then ring the bell. The essence of subscribing is just to be able to get notified when I drop new videos. Thank you once again for watching my YouTube video. Have a nice and blissful day.